It's an opportunity to get together with your peers.
You get to have so many interesting new experiences.
There's so many opportunities in different organizations that I never even knew about.
It allowed me to see my future.
It's a chance to be part of a community.
Everything about it is positive.
Need to know about the training practices going on in our community. I think that the more that they know about that world and we can bridge that gap, everyone kind of wins.
I have been at KFC since 1984. What we know from our own internal data is training is the #1 driver of employee engagement in our restaurants, #1. In our world, there are many challenges. A lot of it is the rapid pace of change. I have a pretty large team in the learning industry, and they're constantly growing and developing their skills. It's a great way for them to learn.
So what are you waiting for? Let's go.